Hey family, how's everybody doing? I just want to give you a few tidbits about compression that I know. Okay, so compression is a basic utility in a studio in which sound engineers use to help record, mix, and master tracks. So compression makes the volume of the wave more consistent throughout the track. Compression used to be known as automatic level control. Now compression helps balance the highest and the lowest parts of the sound wave, also known as peaks. So we have four basic types of compressors. We have the optic compressor, we have the FET compressor, also known as the field effect transmitter. We have the VCA compressor, also known as the voltage controlled amplified compressor, and we also have the variable MU. Now, the two compressors that I like using on my vocal tracks are the optic and the FET. For the optic, I like using the LA2A, and for the FET, I like using the 1176. Now, these two compressors give a nice warm sound to the vocal, and I like the fast attack on these compressors. Now, there are five basic controls on a compressor. We have the threshold, we have the ratio, attack, release, and output input gain. Now, the threshold is a compression level action whereby when a signal, such as a peaking wave artifact, breaches the threshold, a compressor is activated. Now, the threshold goes hand in hand with the ratio. Now, the ratio is the mathematical amount of gain reduction activated on a wave when its peak breaches the threshold. So, the attack determines how fast the compressor levels the waves, and the release determines how fast the compressor leaves the waves. Now we have the gain, input, and output levels. These levels will determine how much volume will either enter or leave the compressor. So overall, compressors are leveling agents that help balance the audio wave and give it that nice look, feel, and pleasant sound. Now next time, I want y'all to tap in with me as we discuss equalizers.